Emotions play a central role in decision-making and adaptation in humans. Emotional stimuli affect basic and cognitive operations such as perception, attention, and memory. Certain CSI portal technology is able to distinguish the differences and the subtleties of facial expressions in any human culture. Our capture software is able to read the wide percentages and ranges of emotions, gathered as data points at 24 frames per second capture rate, and translate this into a working and viable dashboard that the client can easily understand. Here is a demonstration of a range of general real-time emotional responses on the face of Marian Bartlett, co-founder of Emotion and one of Sertain's strategic partners. She has studied and worked extensively with Paul Ekman, the developer of the facial action coding system.
So I'll demonstrate response to a subtle smile, and now response to a fast smile or microexpression. And just to show the sensitivity, I'll just move my lip corners and you should see it spike as I move my lip corners. And now I'll show sadness. So here's a big expression of sad. But now I'll show a more subtle expression. Okay? And surprise. But now a micro-expression of surprise. Okay? Anger. Here's a big anger. So, but now I'll just pull my brows down. And you should see it spiking as I pull my brows down. Here's fear. And with disgust, this signal can give information about whether somebody's liking what they're seeing. And sometimes people just contract the levator muscle here, and they don't even realize they're doing it. So I'll show that if that's in the teal there at the bottom, I'll just contract. Okay, so it's picking up on those small movements. We also have contempt as well as basic positive and negative emotion, to summarize these into basic positive affect and negative affect.
It is in the degrees of subtlety that certain research is valuable. One case study, done with Mattel, revealed the following. A mother was tested using a Mattel stimulus video, and the tester's perception of her face during the test indicated a happy emotion. On closer inspection of the SCR software, it was revealed that an inner emotion of sad prevailed. This was confirmed upon questioning the mother directly about what she was feeling. This same case study gave insight to the complexity of emotions that sometimes are evident, as in this young girl's kaleidoscope of emotional output. Here is another case study from Marian Bartlett of Emotion.
We've been able to predict customer behavior by measuring the face. And this was a study that was conducted by one of our customers. It's a large packaged goods company. And what they did was they showed customers, they presented them with 3 different fragrances of a detergent, and then people could choose one of the 3 to bring home. Now they gave the typical survey and interview, and they also measured the customer's facial expression using our system. So the survey and the interview was not able to predict which of the 3 fragrances they brought home, but our system that measures facial expression was able to predict which of the 3 they brought home. And it was largely the absence of negative emotion that let them know which one was the selected emotion. It wasn't that people smile necessarily when they like something, but that we can see those negative responses when they dislike.
It's important to know that this technology is based on spontaneous, emotionally driven facial expressions that travel through a subcortical motor pathway. In contrast, deliberate facial movement comes via a cortical motor pathway. When a customer naturally reacts to a product in front of the L'Oreal CSI portal, those emotions are coming from the subcortical motor pathway that produces spontaneous, subconscious reactions. This provides the most accurate and true product feedback results possible.